Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to use influencers to promote your business online. Influencers have become a valuable resource for companies looking to promote their products or services online. Influencers have a large following of people who follow them on social media and are able to influence their followers' purchasing decisions. Here are some steps you can follow to use influencers to promote your business online. Firstly, you need to find the right influencers for your business. Look for influencers who are in line with your company values and who have a similar target audience to yours. Make sure the influencers are authentic and that their following is real and engaged. Secondly, you need to create a partnership with influencers. Send them a message or email to ask if they are interested in collaborating with you. Offer them free products or services in exchange for promotion on their social channels. Alternatively, you can offer them a commission on sales generated through their discount code. Thirdly, you need to define the goals of your influencer marketing campaign. Decide on your influencer marketing goals, such as increasing website traffic, generating new leads, or increasing sales. Make sure the goals are realistic and measurable. Fourthly, you need to create a content plan for influencers. Provide influencers with the necessary information about your products or services and suggest how they can promote them on their social channels. Make sure the content is original and authentic and that it respects the brand guidelines. Fifthly, you need to monitor the results of your influencer marketing campaign. Monitor campaign metrics such as click-throughs, views, or conversions. Use this information to make the necessary changes to your marketing strategy. In conclusion, using influencers to promote your business online can bring great benefits. Remember to find the right influencers, create a partnership, define the goals of your marketing campaign, create a content plan, and monitor the results of the campaign. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thanks for watching.